In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do challenge B. So first of all, let's have a read of what challenge B is asking us to do. So challenge B is saying we're going to make a momentary LED torch so that the program, when we're holding the button down, will cause the LEDs to illuminate. And as soon as we take my finger off, it will switch off. Okay. So let's go to Circuit Wizard. All right. Now, obviously, this is from A. So, okay. So I can get rid of these. Okay. I'm going to rename this B. I'm going to go up the top here, File, Save As, and call this B. All right, so I'm getting in the habit of doing this every time. Okay, now what it's asking us to do is that when we push the button in, okay, so let's have a look. So the button is called G3. So what box do we need to use to actually talk to that? Okay, well, the box we're going to need is we're going to need a digital decision. Okay, because you're going to ask a question. Diamonds are decisions. Are you pushing the button? Are you not pushing the button? Okay. Now, if I double click on this, I get the options here, and the one I want is G3. We just check that. Okay, so it's G3 on, say OK. Not sure, let's have a double check. You can see that that's the push to make symbol. And if I follow that all the way down, it goes into G3. All right, so it's a digital, it's on or off. Now, when I'm pushing the button on, I want the lights to switch on. When I'm not switching lights, I want them to switch off. So both of those are going to involve using an output box. Remember to link those back to each other. Like that. Okay, so let's switch the lights on. So double click on the output box and I'm going to switch on both O and 0. So that's my green light and my red light. They're both on. Okay, the one means high or on. And I need to do the opposite. So as soon as I take my finger off, it switches off. So double click on that. This time, just click once a piece and it goes red or 0 or low. Okay, so that's B. Let's see if it works. So back to the circuit diagram. Let's push the play button. Okay, so at the moment, nothing's happening. That's perfect. When I push the button down, the lights go on. As soon as I take my finger off, the lights go off. All right, so that is working fine. When I'm happy with B, again, use the snipping tool. I'll do a quick save there just to save B. Okay, I would use the snipping tool and add that again to my Word document. Hopefully that's been useful.